Hi, welcome to another one of Cymbet's technical video series. My name is Steve Tonkin. I'm with the application staff at Cymbet, and today we're going to be discussing the EVAL-10B energy harvesting board and discuss some of the contents of the kit and how to operate it. Okay, these are the contents of the box that comes with the kit. We've unpackaged it. And basically there's a solar cell and the EVAL-10B board. The EVAL-10B board takes advantage of what we call Charge Controller Energy Harvesting, or CCEH, which uses the ASIC that's included in all of the CBC3150 parts to manage peak power harvesting of the solar cell. If we go through the board, you'll notice there's an input connector here, which we simply connect the solar cell to it, keeping track of the polarity. And that's pretty much what's required to start it running. Now, there's additional contacts. There's some nice scope connections here for the ground and the V-in. You also have the V-out and ground connectors here available for testing. And this 2-pin connection here is for primary battery for battery assist applications, where the primary battery will supply some of the power and the energy harvesting, and the EnerChips will supply the rest to extend the primary battery life. There's a capacitor mounted on the board. This is a 1000 microfarad capacitor that is there to provide pulse currents for higher power loads, like for example a radio. There's two connectors for output. One is for this flat ribbon connector that you can use to power a different board with, and the other one is for a radio demo that we can plug in and do an RF demo to show energy harvesting running with RF link. Now, down here, there's a button that if you press it, you will see that light blink. That shows that the output is powered up. The solar cell has been charging the battery and it's ready for the outputs to run some load. We take advantage of the Texas Instruments MSP 430 Easy 430 RF 2500 kit that's available from Texas Instruments. This box comes with a fob that can plug into your PC, and also a couple of endpoints, which I'll show here. This is the fob, plugs into USB, and it has one endpoint on it. Now, on our website you can find information and software on how to reflash this for the demonstration that we run. And here's a plain access point or endpoint that we use to plug into the EVAL-10B board. To run a wireless demo with the EVAL-10B kit, we've taken the fob. You see I have it inserted in the PC, but previous to that, per the instructions on application note 1040 on the Cymbet.com website, I've flashed an access point and endpoint firmware into the Texas Instrument kit, and also downloaded from Cymbet.com the GUI, the graphical GUI that we use for our demo. Now you can see the red ball blinking in the middle. That represents the access point. And what I'll do now is take the endpoint and just plug it into the connector on the EVAL-10B kit. And in a few seconds the radio communication will be established, and we'll see another ball join the GUI. Now you see the yellow ball, that represents the EVAL-10 kit. With it shows 25.1 degrees C, it shows it's on end device number 1. Every 10 seconds it's doing an update, and 3.2 volts at the output connector. So for more information about the EVAL-10B kit and To get complete schematics on the data sheet, as well as a bill of material for this board, please come to the Cymbet.com website onto the evaluation boards page and look for this information. Thank you.